Robert Mack here in Asia. We're just out of Gung York, in kind of countryside here. What happens when an excavator sinks? Well, look at this. This used to be higher than the building. See the building over there? These things were higher than the building. It's been here 50 years or maybe even, who knows how long this has been here. You got water here. It's like a marsh. It's like a marsh. It's just so muddy and so everything. And what it is, they're trying to get back there to, I guess, to fill it in or put a drainage, something. And we got an excavator way back there. It's sunk. We're gonna have to get chains and build a thing to get it out. It's rough. Oh, everybody. Wow. It's a bad situation here. It's not very good. It's sunk in that mud. It just probably went to the end and fell in. It's horrible. At least they got help. They're gonna got a couple more, and they got logs they can put out to try to get it out. Me personally, I'd probably go over here and start building this up. I've driven Caterpillars before. I'm not a professional, but ooh, this is pretty soft here too. This is pretty soft here. I don't know. You got concrete slabs. See where the water comes in? There it is, the excavator. Oh, it's deep. You can see the arm is way down. I bet you that water's 10 feet deep there at least. Oh, it's terrible right here. Bad situation. I'm stepping in water. Oh, I'm sinking here. Look at this. Dirty water too. All the, see the arm of the front of the excavator? See how deep it is? So what they're gonna do, we don't know. They're gonna get another one in here to try to pull them out. You got two more, so the only thing you're gonna have to do is lift it out, get a big one. So we'll keep our eye on this one and see what happens. You got a house back there. Down there you got some more. This is a nice country back here. See this? Look at this. It's nice back here. Somebody put a little cement road through the country. It goes way back. It's beautiful back here. And all the way back here there's a main river. Big old river that comes up through and there's a ferry on the other side. It's beautiful back here. Look at the water running. Oh my God. Oh. Gonna have to put some logs over there. Hey, gonna have to get the logs over there and start building it up and then lift it onto the logs. Here we go. Make sure no snakes are coming out. This is what happens when you put an excavator in the mud. Look at this one here. Here it is. Gotta watch your snakes. They got them in here. They've been seen in here. You know? That's why I'm looking back and forth. See the water running? It's coming in from way over there somewhere. I don't know where, but it's terrible. Hi, doggy. Here it is. Bad situation right here. It's sunk very good. At least he got his friends to help him, which is a good thing. Got help. Sad to see that. Spider, look at that. Look at that big spider right there. Look at that big spider up there. Yep, they're building it out farther and farther. They'll come out here, and once they get a platform, then they'll have something to work on. They're on the right track. And once they get up here, one over there and one here, maybe they can lift it up. Hopefully they get it out of here. The guy just bought this thing not 2 months ago. 2 months and it's in the hole.
No. No.
Oh, it's terrible.
No.
No good, huh?
No.
No. No good. It's a mud puddle, he's trying to say. It's a bad situation here. Boy, look at all these tree stumps here. It's terrible. Jeez. Hopefully the other one don't sink. It'll be a mess. Well, let's go. I don't want to get bit. Look at it. Look at the mud. I don't know what to do. Maybe they could go over here and block that off and then pump the water out. I don't know. I don't really know, because then it'll come around the other side. Wow. Disaster. Just owned this equipment 2 months and you've sunk it. Well, they're getting it up a little bit. They got the bucket out. They got the bucket out of the water so far, which is a good thing. The bucket's out. Hopefully they can pull it out now. Let me see. They're doing something. They got tension on the chain. Too bad they couldn't turn the bucket to the right a little bit and push it out and crawl it out. Doesn't look good. They got a mess. Got a mess. They need to do some digging or something. Who knows? Get everybody out there with a shovel, move the mud, and pull them out. So I don't know what's going on. So little by little, I guess they'll get it. One thing about the people here, they will get it out. There's no doubt about it. They're dedicated. Here we go. Here we go. They're pulling. Uh-oh. Watch out for that chain. To this one, once they build it up, they can get to this one and try to pull them out, which hopefully they will. So, all right. And the water's getting higher. Yeah, the chain broke. They pull one way, it goes deeper the other way. They've been here all morning. In 2 more hours, the tide's going to come up and this whole area is going to be flooded again. So they got 2 hours pretty close to that to get it out of here. After that thing's going to be underwater. So sad to see this. They're working so hard trying to get it out. What limited stuff they got. Maybe if they had a bigger excavator or equipment here, they can get it out or something. I don't know. They need something Maybe some heavier duty chains. I don't know what to say. I'm not a professional, but I feel bad for them. These guys are covered in mud, working like a dog. Well, all these people over here, everybody went down. We could all dig a little mud out of there. That'd even help, but I'm not going if they're not going. They put the gas tank on top of the back, by the back window. The other tank has been submerged, so they can't use that. That's contaminated, probably with water. So now, it's pretty much and then this canal here, this canal over here, see the water out? It's out. 2 more hours, this thing's going to be full all the way up to the top here. It's going to maybe you can see the water level right at the top of those where things are cut off over there. And then go. They're going to try again. Hopefully they can get it out this time. They gotta come out of there. Come on. There we go. Okay, I want to see it get out this time. I got faith in them. It's going to happen this time. It's going to go up this time. Uh-oh. go any farther. This one's gonna have, you're gonna have to go clean it. Let's go, watch, ready? Come on. See, use the bucket to push. Fill the hole up over there. Happy now, huh? That's a big hole over there. You need to watch out.